You expect Southeast Asia to be fast and overwhelming, but Laos immediately slows everything down around you. In the US, travel often means planning, moving fast, and trying to see as much as possible in a short time. Laos removes that structure and replaces it with long pauses and simple routines. At first, it feels like there is nothing special happening around you. But after a few days, you realize the experience is built on calm, not stimulation. Many travelers say Laos is not impressive at first, but it becomes memorable without trying. Laos does not rely on large-scale attractions. Instead, it focuses on everyday life that continues regardless of tourism. In Luang Prabang, monks collecting alms is not staged for visitors. It is a real religious practice that locals still follow daily. Travelers often notice that locals are friendly but do not approach aggressively, which creates a more relaxed environment. This behavior is very different from destinations where tourism drives constant interaction. Transportation can be slow and sometimes inconvenient, especially outside major routes. Some travelers complain about this, but others say it forces them to experience the place more deeply. Natural places like Kwangsi Waterfalls or Balawan Plateau are not heavily commercialized. This makes the environment feel more authentic, but also less convenient for mass tourism. Many Reddit travelers describe Laos as underrated, while others say it is simply not designed for everyone. Experiences like tubing in Vang Vieng or watching the Mekong at sunset are simple but memorable. Travelers also mention that Laos feels safer and less stressful compared to more crowded Southeast Asian destinations. The country is affordable, but not built for luxury travel. Over time, visitors understand that Laos is not about doing more, but about experiencing less with more attention. This is why many people say Laos grows on you instead of impressing you instantly. When you start to notice these details, the country begins to make more sense. The experience is not about one place, but about how each place changes your pace. And that's when each destination reveals its real value.
The morning catch is bountiful. Yes, it will feed many families. We must work quickly before the sun gets too high.
Wat Sieng Thong, the Temple of the Golden City, stands as a pinnacle of Lao craftsmanship and spiritual grandeur. Its sweeping roofs touch the earth, symbolizing the divine connection between the heavens and the soil. The intricate Tree of Life mosaic on the western wall tells a cosmic story of creation, reflecting the deep philosophical roots of the Lao people. Historically, this was the site of royal coronations, a geopolitical center that unified the kingdom through faith and tradition. Life here revolves around the lunar calendar, with festivals that light up the night and strengthen communal bonds. The hidden secret. Within the funeral carriage house, hidden carvings depict scenes from the Ramayana that hold coded messages for future kings. Standing before this temple, one learns that true beauty is timeless, surviving the passage of centuries through careful preservation. Luang Prabang, a golden sanctuary, where time seems to hold its breath in a dance of saffron robes and morning mist. Situated at the confluence of the Mekong and Namkon rivers, this UNESCO jewel preserves the soul of ancient Indochina. Within these sacred walls, the daily alms-giving ceremony creates a silent bond between the community and the divine, a ritual of pure devotion. The French colonial architecture blends with Lao timber, a geopolitical crossroads that shaped a unique, resilient, and elegant identity for the nation. The hidden secret. Few know that the city's quietude is protected by ancient spirits believed to dwell in the sacred Mount Fauzi. Travel here is a lesson in patience. Slow down to discover that true wealth lies in a mind at peace. Pha That Luang, the great sacred stupa, a shimmering gold monument that defines the skyline and the spirit of Vientiane. As the most important national symbol, its 3 levels represent the Buddhist path to enlightenment, from the material world to ultimate nirvana. Historically, it has been destroyed and rebuilt many times, mirroring the resilience of the Lao nation against foreign invasions. The geopolitical significance of this site is immense, serving as the spiritual heart where the nation gathers for its most sacred annual festivals. The hidden secret. It is believed that a relic of the Lord Buddha, a piece of his breastbone, is encased deep within the central spire. Standing before its golden glow, one feels a sense of unity and the power of a faith that can move mountains and rebuild kingdoms. Let this beacon of light guide you toward your own inner strength and highest aspirations. Bolaven Plateau, an elevated paradise where fertile volcanic soil meets the cool, misty air of the southern highlands. Famous for its world-class coffee, this region is a lush mosaic of plantations, ethnic villages, and hidden waterfalls. The high altitude creates a temperate climate unique to Laos, allowing for a diverse agriculture that fuels the nation's export economy. Here, the Laven and Alak people maintain deep connections to the land, their traditional weaving and beliefs shaping the area's rich cultural fabric. The hidden secret. Beneath the coffee bushes lie ancient volcanic vents that still provide geothermal warmth to specific forest clearings. Visiting the plateau is a sensory feast that reminds us to appreciate the soil that sustains us and the labor of those who toil upon it. Kone Fafeng Falls, the Niagara of the East, where the mighty Mekong roars with a ferocity that shakes the very earth. This is the widest waterfall in the world, a geological titan that prevented colonial explorers from ever conquering the river upstream. The sheer volume of water generates a mist that feeds the lush surrounding rainforests, maintaining a vibrant and unique biodiversity. For the Lao people, these falls are a symbol of national strength and the untamable spirit of their homeland. The hidden secret. Legend says a sacred manicot tree once stood in the middle of the falls, possessing magical fruits that could heal any wound. Watching the raw power of the water teaches us that some forces are meant to be respected, not conquered. Kwangsi Falls, a turquoise masterpiece, where limestone layers create a cascading symphony of pure, crystalline water. Located deep in the jungle, these multi-tiered falls represent the raw, untamed power of Laotian nature. The geological filtration through jungle roots creates a mineral-rich environment, essential for the diverse flora and fauna that thrive in this humid sanctuary. Visitors often find clarity here, as the crashing water reminds us that persistence can carve paths through the hardest stone. The hidden secret. Behind the main falls lies a hidden cave, reachable only by those brave enough to climb the slippery, secret forest trails. Let the cool mist wash away your worries and invite you to reconnect with the wild pulse of the earth. Plain of Jars, an archaeological enigma where thousands of giant stone vessels scatter across a wind-swept plateau. These megalithic structures, dating back over 2,000 years, whisper secrets of ancient burial rites and lost civilizations. The strategic location of Shengkowang made this area a vital trade route, though it later suffered as the most bombed place on Earth. Today, the craters and jars stand together, a poignant reminder of human conflict and the enduring strength of the land. The hidden secret. Local legends claim the jars were built to brew vast amounts of rice wine to celebrate a great military victory. Walking through these fields, we learn that even after destruction, nature and history can reclaim their dignity and beauty. Let this landscape inspire you to overcome your own shadows and stand tall like these timeless stone sentinels. Wat Phu, an ancient Khmer sanctuary resting at the foot of Mount Kao, where stone carvings breathe with spiritual energy. Older than Angkor Wat, this temple complex was designed to represent the cosmic relationship between Shiva and the Mekong. The mountain's natural lingam shape dictated the site's sacred geography, influencing the region's spiritual and political development for a millennium. Despite the humid climate, the intricate lintels and ruins stand firm, showcasing an architectural genius that harmonized with the environment. The hidden secret. A spring of holy water still flows from the mountain cliff, believed to grant eternal youth to those who wash their face. Standing atop the terrace, one feels the vastness of time and the importance of building a life based on solid, spiritual foundations. Tham Kong Lor Cave, a subterranean odyssey stretching 7 kilometers through the heart of a limestone mountain. Navigating this darkness by boat, guided only by headlamps, feels like journeying into the womb of the earth itself. The Nam Hin Bun River carved this massive limestone tunnel over millions of years, a testament to the slow but inevitable power of water. Remote villages at both ends of the cave rely on this watery passage for trade, a lifeline that bridges isolated communities. The hidden secret. High on the cave walls, there are prehistoric handprints that suggest humans sought refuge here, long before history was written. This dark passage teaches us that even in the deepest shadows, there is always a way forward if we keep moving. Emerging into the light at the other end is a rebirth for the traveler, a fresh perspective on life.